Just picked up Bead Buster. Yeah, funny name, Bead Buster. XB452. Alright, so here's how the box looks once you open it. Look at that Bead Buster, that is a beauty. Alright, so it comes with two different arms. And I think what the warning's telling you, what they're trying to tell you is don't stick your fingers in there. It'll break them off. And also, yeah, don't stick your fingers in there. Oh, don't over tighten. Don't keep driving it past the point of no return. You'll strip the thread. You see what I mean? Once that bolt gets all the way in, stop, or you'll strip it. It's just a 3/4 inch socket. So I picked up some tire mounting liquid lube that I got from Amazon, and I put it, I'll show you, I put it in a bottle over here. So I put it in that smaller bottle you see there. It's easier to spray on the rim that way. Some people say it's the same thing as ordinary dish soap, but if my wife caught me using her dish soap on a tire, something else would be getting busted besides the bead. So anyways, I sprayed it on the tire. I tapped the edges a little bit, kind of stepped on a little bit to work it in. Tighten it till it's like 90 degrees. What do you think? Okay, let's break out the impact wrench. Let's try it. Remember, don't over tighten it. I'm just going to do it by hand. It's not, the impact gun's too powerful. Oh yeah, it's working. It worked. Hey now. Okay. You apparently have to be smarter than the Bead Buster to work it. After struggling for an hour, look at this. The arm, there's a pin that goes through the arm. Can you believe that? Why no one tell me that? You guys are sitting there watching me struggle. I blame you guys. The thing that they don't tell you in the instructions, and I didn't see any videos explain this, this arm comes out. There's a hole in it, and then there's a pin. There's a pin right here. And then what you gotta do is line up the two holes, and then you slide the pin through like that. So now the pin is through, and there's a wing nut like me on the back, see? Goes there. So you tighten that, and then that makes the arm stay where it's supposed to. I'm not using the impact gun. Break a finger off. It's definitely a buster. I'm not sure if it's a bead buster, but it's a buster. All right. Get it in. All right. All right. Well, I got it down far enough. I can put a board or something in there and keep going around. That thing's pretty amazing. I just went to pop the other side of it, and the bead broke immediately. So, it's a great little tool. I gotta tell you, if you know how to use this tool, you watch my video, it saves a lot of time. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks for watching.